Hello. My name is Elvin and you're watching Accent on Cars. In today's episode, I'm gonna answer to one of the most common questions that you guys, the viewers of this channel, ask me every time, which is, hey Elvin, we bought W211 E63 or E55. How do I enable Bluetooth audio? Is it possible to stream audio through Bluetooth? And the answer is yes, thanks to innovations. Let me clarify that by default, like from the factory, with the factory head unit, there is no way. You can only have Bluetooth phone connection. You can talk through Bluetooth, but you cannot listen to music with the head unit. There are many aftermarket Android units. Some of them, I love them. They look just like the factory head unit with the buttons and stuff. But those are expensive options. So is there a budget way of streaming audio without updating the head unit? Yes, there is, and that's what I'm going to show you now. And so let's get started. And just in case you guys didn't know or you're new to the channel, I'm running a giveaway I always do on this channel. As I hit certain milestones, I run a giveaway. So there's a giveaway running right now. So it's your chance to get a free gifts from me. I have a free dash cam, air freshener, etc. I'm gonna link the video in the description. It's also gonna pop up in the top right corner. Go check it out. And you don't have to do much. All you have to do is like subscribe to the channel, like the video, and send me screenshots. But for more detailed instructions, go check out that video after watching this one. So the head unit I'm gonna show to you, so like I have like a lot of stuff in here, is this little, let me unplug this. It's this little device over here. It looks like your USB card. And it's called Tunay, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, Tunay Firefly Plus. Again, this is not a paid advertisement or anything. A friend of mine suggested this and I bought it off Amazon. So this is this little device that has to be plugged into a USB. So I have this like charger, that goes into the cigarette lighter, cigarette power, and then I plug the Tunay thing into it. So one end goes into that like that. Then it comes with this extension cord and it goes into the glove box and plugs to one more mask, plugs to the aux, auxiliary phone audio jack, and that's it. Really, like you plug it like this. And then in your Bluetooth settings, you will see Firefly in your cell phone. You'll connect to it and you can stream audio just like that. I mean, obviously like in the head unit, in the audio settings, you will choose auxiliary, AUX. And some of you, if you don't have aux, then you have Apple integration, and that one is even better. If you have that, you can either plug to your Tunay device to it, or you can, there's a different device on Amazon that you can plug into that directly. And right now, as you can see, like it's not ideal because you have a cable extending from there into the glove compartment. What I'm gonna do next in future videos is that I'm going to enable USB output in the glove compartment itself. Then this device will be hidden in there and I won't even see it. I will just start the car and phone connects to it automatically, and that's it. Alright guys, another short video. Hopefully it was useful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and as always, subscribe. And it's snowing, it's a beautiful day. Bye now.